So we made today 475%. So I made $47,000. Example, Meshaverse. I shared this trade in the private list right here around 10. We bought this coin for 0.086 and I put a sell order right here at 25. I made $19,000 this trade. This is the answer for the new member, Charles. Charles, here's the situation, man. We use a daily resistance to put a sell order, right? If you go, this is 1 hour chart. Go to the platform I provide to you, the free platform. You're gonna have the same thing. Why you put a sell order here? Because this is the daily resistance. So it's giving me a confidence to put a sell order right here. Okay. Let me show you something here. This is the trades I share in the private list. On the last 48 hours, we trade Meshaverse, Rosion, Original Dollar, Velo, Conflux, FLOKI, and Push Protocol. We focus in volume. Volume spike plus buyer power, because volume is confirmation. Okay, 630,000, 1.4 million, $3 million in volume, 5 million, 228 million. If I made $47,000, Charles, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades, but you have to pay attention to this. These things is a typical mistake of the new members. I shared this trade in the private list, Conflux, right here, around yesterday, around 12 a.m. So a lot of traders, they didn't have a time to get this trade here. I bought this coin for 55 cents and they put a sell order right here, 10 cents, right? So I made 7,500, 75%. But you gotta understand, the pump, after I shared this trade in the private list, because I was calculate buyer power plus volume spike. You see the volume was so low and start to spark right here. So when I shared this trade in the private list, members was during the night. Some members, they didn't tell because they didn't trade this coin because they are overseas, so the time frame is different. But what I like to say is, if I share the trade in the private list, you have to buy the coin on this price range here. Don't try to follow the pump. Don't buy here, don't buy here, don't buy here, because you already lost the move. Okay, the idea is to buy low and sell high. That's all my soft is tracking. It's tracking coins will pump. Okay, like here, Original Dollar Governance, we buy low here and sell here. Don't try to buy during the pump because you lost the time. The whole secret sauce on this channel, we time the move. Okay, the software is tracking 3,000 coins. If you're watching this channel for the first time, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. I provide this trade just to increase the buyer power. Okay, and also I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. So I'd like to say welcome to our new members: Barbara, Susan, Jessica, Jovis, Joseph, Richard, William, and Charles. Okay, welcome all. So all you gotta do is to follow my trades. If you have any doubt, email me. Feel free to reach me out anytime. But Charles, you gotta. I'm talking about daily resistance. That's the best place you can put your sell order. Okay, just follow my trades. You'll be okay. Feel free to reach me out. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.